Hey besties, and thank you so much for clicking on today's video. In today's video, I am really excited. Like, I know I say I'm excited all the time, you guys. I always say this, but I am really excited because we are going to be doing a mystery box unboxing from Lunar Beauty, which is Manny MUA's makeup brand. If you guys don't know who Manny MUA is, he is a beauty influencer, and if you're watching my channel, I feel like you probably do know who he is because you probably do like beauty content. But anyways, jumping right in. He launched 3 different mystery boxes. So he had the Mercury Box, which was $50 and it valued at $110. He had the Venus Box, which was $95, valued at $220. I was really wanting that one actually. But then he had the Mars Box, which was $140 and valued at $335. So that's the one that I did pick up, you guys. I definitely afterpaid that because, babe, that was a lot of money all at once. Okay, but it had such a good value and I felt like you guys really would want to see it. So I did get the biggest box so you guys can see it is not open. I can't show you the other side because it has, you know, my address, but I'm gonna go ahead and open this bad boy up. I'm so excited to see what's in here. If there's anything that's like a repeat that I already own, like a palette or something, I'll definitely put it in a giveaway. When we hit 10K, I'm putting it out there. When we hit 10K, I am going to do a beautiful giveaway for you guys because I love you so much. And Lunar Beauty products are so great. That's the reason I did get the bigger one too, because I was like, well, I'm probably going to get a duplicate. I can put it in giveaways and that would be really cool. Needed a little manpower for this one. Oh, these are lashes. Okay, the first thing is Lunar Beauty Faux Mink Lashes in the style Flare. I was like, where is it? But it's called Flare. So this is really beautiful packaging. He always nails it with his packaging. It's always so beautiful. It kind of gives me vibes of like my eyeshadow right now. But yeah, nonetheless, super beautiful. Open it up and this is what they look like. I've been needing some new lashes, so I'm actually really happy to get these in the box. So that already is a really great item to have. Then we have something kind of big. We have a palette. Oh my goodness. I kind of am hoping it's one that I already have so I can gift it to you guys. And I don't have this one. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is the Eternal Eclipse. This is the packaging right here. Oh, I'm really excited about this. Sorry, besties, but oh my goodness. Y'all, I do not have this one and I actually had wanted it, but I just never got to get my hands on it. I don't know, you guys know how life is, but it's a really beautiful, more like, well, I was gonna say cool tone. The bottom is more cool tone, the middle is like more warm, neutral, and then you have these really beautiful shimmers. So this is a really stunning palette to have. It's really pretty, you guys. I don't know why I don't already have this, but I'm super excited. Maybe we should do like a look with this palette. I really enjoy this. I'm so happy to have it. It has like the same pop-up moon that like the Strawberry Dream has, so that's really cool too. I'm actually really happy so far about this box, you guys. Wait a minute. I think there's another palette in here. Oh, I think I have this one. I think I see what this one is, and I think this one is gonna be for you guys when it's gonna be when we hit like 10K. But like still, I'm gonna hold on to it. But this is the Moonspell Volume 2. I love this one. I actually just did a video of if I could only have like 10 palettes, and it was in the lineup, so that's how you know it's a good one. This is what the inside of it looks like. Well, the outer packaging, I mean. And then you open it up and then boom, here's the seal. We're gonna keep that so that when one of you guys get this palette one day, you will have that. But this is a beautiful palette, and one of you is going to be very happy because this is a really great thing to get in this box. Like, if you don't already have this and then you got this, I think like you would like scream because this is a beautiful berry red purple tone palette. Very pretty. So that is like amazing to get that in this box. Oh my goodness. Okay. Getting excited. And then is this, what is this one? I have this too. I have this too. This is the Moon Prism blush palette. This is like one of my favorite blush palettes that I own. I use it consistently. So let me go ahead and open it up, being very, very careful because we want to keep it very, very in good condition. But again, with the pop out moons, very, very cute. I always love the vibe and aesthetic of all of his products. So then you open it up and you get this palette. This is like an amazing box, you guys. Like, what was it, $140? This is really, really like some good stuff. Like, and it's really pricey stuff, like each thing. So this is an amazing product that I use like very, 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 very often. So very happy to be able to gift this to one of you eventually. This is amazing. Oh my gosh, is there, like, what is this? Oh, shush. Okay, because of the size, I'm already knowing what this is, and I didn't pick it up because I didn't have the money at the time. But oh my gosh, it is the Outer Dimension face palette, and something told me don't pick it up yet. I don't know. I didn't know this mystery box, of course, was gonna happen, but something told me no, hold off. But then I saw the reviews and I was like, people like it. I wish I would have got it. It's huge. It's like bigger than my head, okay? But opening it up. Oh gosh. This one I'm gonna just kind of rip into because I'm keeping this. This is what the face looks like. It kind of looks like that emoji. You guys know what I'm talking about. And then you open it up and then you have all of these bronzer and powder shades. I really, really love this, like highlight shades, I mean. And then you have the mixing mediums in the middle, which I thought was really, really interesting as well. So yeah, I'm so excited to play with this, you guys, and so happy it's in this bundle. Like, I'm so happy, you guys, that I picked this bundle up. I like this mystery box. Like, this is a really good one. I'm gonna say it. This is the best mystery box so far that I have ever tried in my whole entire life, and I picked up a couple, so yes, yes sir. Okay, so we have a few more things. We have a little beauty blender, which I didn't even know he had beauty blenders. Aw, it's like a little liquid and powder blender. Oh, I love it when they have like this marble kind of packaging. Ooh, and I like the shape. I've never seen one like that shape. So like it really, really gets up in there. This is going to be perfect, and I'm going to actually put that on my desk for now. That's really nice to have as well. And then we have, is this a brush set? Does he have brush set? He also had said that he put some custom items in each box. So I'm not sure because I didn't know he had a brush set. I think, oh, I think I did know he had a brush set. So he has a brush set already. I'm pretty certain about. So yeah, that's really amazing to also have these brushes. I'm always looking to have new brushes. That is so great. This mystery box is really, really good. Then you get a makeup bag, so that's really perfect as well. And then looks like we got some lippies in here. So we have the Lunar Beauty lip gloss in Dreamy. Dreamy. I think this is like one of the limited edition. No, actually I think I own this one. Do I own this one? I had to go look at my collection to see if I already own this, and you guys, honestly, I'm still unsure. It looks like a beautiful pinky toned gloss with like a blue reflect in there, like a blue shimmer. It's really, really pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it on my hand so you guys can see. I don't think that I own this one, but I do think I do have like a pinky gloss from him, but for whatever reason I cannot find it. But this one, I'm not sure if this is like the limited edition one or not, but I will have to like figure that out and probably put it in the bio. Then we have this one right here called Mystery, which is actually probably definitely the limited edition, or not limited edition, it's the customized lip gloss, which, oh my gosh, you guys look at that. Do you see how pretty this one is. Oh my gosh. Okay, gold gloss. This is beautiful. So then we have that one right there, which is called Mystery. Let's pop that on the lip. That one is freaking beautiful, you guys. They're both beautiful, but this one is like special. There's something really special about it. Not that the other one isn't special. I just feel like I probably have like more stuff like this in my collection. Unless that blue reflect really, really pops, then this is like, this is stunning, you guys. So then going into the last product, which is this, was it a gloss? No, a liquid lipstick called Aphrodite. And you open it up, and ooh, it's like a red. I'm not gonna swatch that, but I will open it up so you guys can see the shade. It's really, really beautiful, like a true red. I'm really excited to play with that as well. It does have like a vanilla scent as well as the glosses do. But oh my gosh, you guys, that was everything. That was like really, really a great 10 minutes for me of just playing around and like just being surprised. I didn't watch anyone else's videos because I wanted it to be something for us to also watch together, you know, for the first time, but also something for like just specifically me to really have fun and, you know, be surprised at what he threw in there, because I do have a good amount of his things. So I was like, ooh, I wonder if we'll get like highlighters in there. I wonder what we'll have. We didn't get any highlighters, but I do own his highlighters. So I was like, ooh, I wonder if we'll get highlighters, glosses. I wonder if we'll get palettes. So I think overall, again, you get the brushes, you get the face palette, you get the blush, you get 2 palettes in here, and then you get the glosses, the lipstick, the blender. Like, it's all really, really good things, really good vibes in this box. So I'm really, really, really happy about it, and I'm happy to have all of these nice items. You know, sometimes with mystery boxes, it can seem like companies are kind of just trying to get rid of stuff, but I feel like with Manny, it's not necessarily like that, because literally, like, the values are so high, first of all, and second of all, like, a lot of this, like, this just came out. Like, this product right here is super duper popular. This product right here is super duper popular. So I don't think it's necessarily like that. I think that he just wanted it to be like a really, 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 really good box. You know what I mean? And it is. So yeah, I'm really, really happy. We didn't get like any dirty items, but I don't know that he has any like dirty items. So, you know, I'm really, really happy about this. And yeah, besties, I hope that you guys enjoyed this equally as much as I did, because I had a lot of fun. Obviously, I'm so happy about this. I can't wait to test these brushes. But yeah, let me know down below what your favorite item in here is. I'm also really happy because, like I said earlier, I'm going to be gifting you guys both the blush and the palette that we got eventually, once we hit 10K. So exciting. I feel like it's going to come so quickly because it just seems like we really do have a really great community over here that just is growing every day. Because it's just like, you know, we started like small and it just started growing and growing, and the more that we grow, the more people leave their opinions and their thoughts and their comments and their recommendations. I love it when you guys leave me recommendations too. It's just like the best thing ever. But yeah, you guys, I love you so much, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave it a like below, comment, subscribe, all the good stuff. And I have a lot of new videos coming your way. I love you so much, and again, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one, besties. Bye!